by Show Cafe, One Woodbrook Place, and today I'm gonna do a little Christmas vibes mocktail, though, not cocktail, a little mocktail, because you know, you gotta do something for the people who don't drink alcohol as well now. And yes, Christmas time is usually associated with sorrel, but we also know that ginger plays a big role in our Christmas celebrations, ginger beer and that kind of scene. So today I'm going to do something real simple. I'm making a ginger simple syrup, and yes, you can use it in mocktails, but if you want, you could also use it in cocktails as well. Let me get into this real quick, real easy. So I'm a fresh ginger here. Let's go and get a little rough chop. Going into my mortar and pestle now. Now we just wanna bruise the ginger. Grind it up in the mortar and pestle until we release the juices. We want this real nice and gingery, real nice and spicy. So adding my ginger to our pot because you'll see we're making a simple syrup, right? To add to this, we're adding another spice that's synonymous with Christmas, with Trini Christmas, and that is clove. You know, you just put a clove on your ham and thing, and adding some clove in there as well. To make the simple syrup, I'm going in equal parts sugar, equal parts water. Be liberal with your dashes, be liberal. So you're gonna allow this to simmer and then switch it off and let all that ginger and clove flavor steep into the simple syrup. So you get a real nice intense flavors. This can be real nice to use in like a mocktail or a cocktail, but today we're using it for a cocktail. So I have some ginger simple syrup that I prepared from before. So I'm just gonna add a bit into here. So I have a guest here. Now I don't know Brianna. We literally just met.
Yep.
Literally just met. So Brianna, you are a fan of ginger? So.
Yeah.
Kinda. On the fence.
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm gonna try this and you'll tell me. You're a fan of tonic water?
Yes. I like tonic water.
You like tonic water. Alright, good. This I'll stir for you.
Okay, it looks a lot lighter than the actual syrup. So
Right.
it shouldn't be too strong.
It should not be too strong, but you will, you know, be the judge of that. And then, you know, how to make it a little fancy.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, thank you. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, the ginger is not too strong. It's like a light gingery flavor.
Right.
And yeah, and the hint of the orange bitters as well.
Right.
It's nice. It's like a light ginger beer, I would say.
Right. So that's the vibe. I kind of like ginger beer.
Yep.
Yeah? Nice. She was not paid to say this.
No, I was not. And I'm not really a fan of ginger, and it was good.
This is yours.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.